Since I preached today in my fern garden, I thought I would show you around my little fern garden. It's rather small, but I have 25 different kinds of ferns here. This big guy is called a Champion's wood fern. And this one here is a lady fern called Lady in Red. I have a Japanese maple here, and in the very back there's a Dixie wood fern. Over here I have a royal fern, and next to the royal fern is a cinnamon fern, and next to that is a golden mist wood fern. Next to that is a Japanese painted fern. And if I turn around, we can see that here is an ostrich fern. And over here we have my oak leaf hydrangeas. In the very back there, aren't these beautiful? These are called ghost ferns or ghost lady fern, and they're a hybrid between the Japanese painted fern and the lady fern. Right here is a Christmas fern. And over here, these are called log ferns. And right here, this is called a sensitive fern. And right here is a silvery spleenwort. And the spleenworts are called that because the spores on the back of their fronds are shaped like a spleen. Over here, I have to look at this one. This one is a southern wood fern. And here we have another Japanese painted fern. And here we have an East India holly fern. And here is a tassel fern. Back in the back there's a male fern. This monster here is an autumn fern. Let me come back around. This is actually not a fern, and I can't remember the name of it. This is called an ebony spleenwort. Again, it's called ebony because its little stems are dark. And here's another one. This is called maidenhair fern, and this actually is southern maidenhair fern, and this one right here on the left is a northern maidenhair fern. He's not quite as happy as the southern. And then we have an upside down fern back here, more maidenhair fern. And then this one here is a southern shield fern. And then we have an Alaska shield fern. And now you're getting my shadow. I even have some little ferns growing on the rock, growing by themselves from spores. So thank you for taking this tour with me today.